Ready to ditch the endless swiping and discover meaningful connections right where you already hang out? Let's dive into how to activate and set up Facebook dating, step by step, so you can start finding compatible matches today. First, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. You must be 18 years or older and using the most recent version of the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and look for the dating option. It might be hidden under See More. If you haven't used it before, tap on Dating to get started. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Hit the Get Started button to begin your profile creation. Facebook dating pulls some information from your existing profile, but you'll be able to customize it. You'll be asked to confirm your gender and location, and you can also specify the genders you're interested in matching with. Take the time to add information about your interests, hobbies, and what you're looking for in a relationship. This helps Facebook match you with compatible people. Now, let's talk privacy. Facebook dating has separate privacy settings from your main Facebook profile. You can choose who can see your dating profile and whether your Facebook friends can see you're using dating. Customize these settings to your comfort level. Once your profile is set up, you can start browsing potential matches. You'll see profiles of people who fit your criteria. You can like their profile or pass if you're not interested. If you and someone you like both like each other, it's a match. When you match with someone, you can start chatting and getting to know them better. Facebook dating offers features like virtual dates and the ability to share stories to add a personal touch. Now go out there and maybe find the love of your life.